of July 2024. Keep in the back of your mind abbreviated trading day in stock indices, as there will be no stock market tomorrow. I will not tonight be putting out market wrap-ups. I'm going to enjoy my 2 days off between today and tomorrow, but I will be back to normal on Friday with you. Want to remind you of something else. Your time is running out. My 4th of July sale coming to an end shortly. And it comes just like that at you. IraEpstein.com. Any of my courses, 35% off. Any 1-year subscription. You can take the combo where you get the futures and the spiders. You can do just the spiders, just the futures, or the full research, which is my written updates. There's at least 2 a day, typically, from starting with 1 on Sunday night, 2 minimum Monday through Thursday, typically 1 on Friday. All right, so, and special reports and special updates, because many times I do a morning video and then later in the day I want to do something. Well, the people that get just the morning video don't get that update. 35% off. All you do is go to IraEpstein.com for the courses. You'll see the word courses in the top of the website. For the research, hit research. When you see the prices, put them in your cart. When you go to checkout, that is where you will see the 35% off. You can also move your cursor up to the top here to take advantage by just clicking that. It'll take you to the website. Now, let's talk, if we could, for a minute here about all the data. We had the mortgage market headline come out at 206.50. That's from the prior week down 2.6%. You were in the purchase index down 3.3%, and the refi 1.5. Mortgage rates went back up today. They're back up to 7%, by the way. The Challenger Group, the 2024 U.S. employer plan cuts down, so that's a friendly number. However, ADP came out and their new jobs, only 150,000. They expected 160, less new jobs. So you're starting to see some wobbles here. Jobless claims. They were looking for them unchanged. Instead, they're up 4,000 at 238, and continuing claims up another 26. They just keep marching higher. So these are the type of numbers the Fed does want to see. They want to see a wobbling to a weakness in labor, not a collapse in it, and they're getting what they want. The trade balance came in a little bit better, a negative $75 billion for May versus the 76.3. We're still going to get S&P Global. They're going to release their service sector in this at 8:45. At 9 o'clock, the ISM. And at 1 o'clock today, you're going to get the notes of the FOMC meeting that we just had in June. So lots to digest today. Going to be important. But a lot of people are going to do what? They're going to pick up and they're leaving. They're turning off their TVs. They're going to take the day off. And I see that all over. I saw it in our volume yesterday in my division. You can see the dollar down, most currencies rallying against the dollar with one exception, the yen. The market just doesn't believe the yen. You're approaching, 39-year lows now in the market? Unbelievable. In the grain market, you got to ask yourself, okay, how's the weather going to be over the next 3 to 4 days? Because that's what you're playing with. Beans getting a little bit of a bid and losing its bearish embedded reading. To me, that's what's important. As I said, for the bonds and notes, I consider these labor numbers good. In other words, putting the Fed still saying, aha, we are getting the wobble we want. Maybe we can do a rate cut this year. Whether it's September, December, I can't answer. We don't have enough data yet, but that's what I'm thinking. Profit taking hitting in the gasoline, no surprise there. Your big driving days tomorrow, so you buy the rumor, sell the fact. And keep in the back of your mind, in the NASDAQ, this is one of the strongest months of the year. For the past 15 years, from the beginning of the month to the end, if you look at the prices, they have gained. So if you bought on the first, came out right at the end, you have seen gains 15 years in a row. Doesn't mean it'll be 16. It's not what I'm saying. But I do pay attention when I see strong seasonality like that. You're still in trouble in the Russell. It tried to rally, not holding it very well, and it lost one of its major components, a tech sector. It's been replaced, and that gives the market a little more weakness as I see it. But you can see gold and silver come alive. Silver, that's not a mistake. It's up $1 an ounce. If you get my updates, you saw what I was pointing out to yesterday and today, and away you go. And what about the copper? Yeah, that's not wrong. Up 12 cents. Rather dramatic move. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great 4th of July. Be sure to take advantage, if you'd like, of this sale that we've got going on at iraepstein.com, and I'll catch up with everybody on Friday. Take care.